All right, what's going on, guys? Day nine, road to funded. Um, yeah. So here's our setup for today. Look at the 4 hour. So we got a couple 4 hour key levels here. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't know what the market's doing. My daily biases I feel have been wrong. So I don't really know. This is our all time high right here. So maybe we go through that today. Who the hell knows? But yeah, just gonna wait and look for key levels to be hit like we normally do, and yeah, once key levels hit, we'll look for confluences and kind of do the same thing. So I know I said last video that I was gonna have a new funded or a new paper account ready for the new because we're next trade we're probably if we win the next winning trade we're gonna pass our first paper funded account. So I was gonna have the second one ready today, but I messed up and I don't know how to delete this account. Because that's way too much. So and I can't make any more. So we're gonna improvise. The way that I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna try and take this balance. My new goal, instead of passing three fake paper funded accounts, my new goal is to take this balance, this 150 balance, to 180,000 without ever losing um like more than 4,000 euros. So like if I um basically I can just never lose more than 4,000. That's pretty much as simple as it gets. In a row, I guess, because I never want to go lower than 40,000. So um my risk is only about 1,500, so I would have to lose like 3 or 4 trades in a row, depending on how much I risk. So basically, I can't lose 3 or 4 trades in a row. We'll keep it that simple. I hope that doesn't happen. I hope we don't have to think about that. We're just gonna focus on getting to 180. Okay. We are gonna um keep using what is it? Sorry, I'm so fucking tired. We're gonna keep using Trade Locker because that's what I'm gonna use my live account on. Oh, also, this is what I want to say. Also, ignore these. So here's our trade from yesterday, the 6,000. There's like four random like cents for Ethereum. I was just testing. We're gonna use this today, but I was learning and researching, and it makes more sense to enter like if I'm gonna do 3 lots, it makes more sense to do three $1 or 3 1 lots instead of 1 3 lot. Buy this makes no sense to people who don't know what I'm talking about, but people who do know what I'm talking about know what I'm trying to say. So then you can set different take profit levels, and I'll show that if we enter a trade today or when next time we enter a trade. But all right, fuck all that. Market's open. Um, I hope my mic doesn't pick up my music and copyright me. That kind of suck. Even though I'm not making any money off this YouTube, but still, it's just kind of annoying. All right, so we swept London session high. We didn't sweep it here as an SMT. So let's look for some setups and hopefully take a trade today. I'm kind of tanking here. Let's see on the daily. Oh wait, did we recover already? No. Yeah, we're tanking a little bit here. We'll see what happens. Maybe we want to take out the key level on ES and then take longs, but that this SMT. I don't know if you can do an SMT like that. Like from London session into now, it's like I don't know. I'm sure you can. I'm sure it still applies, but we will see. So it's looking to me like we might be taking shorts again today. Um, Kind of makes sense. There's a lot of liquidity that needs to be swept here. So hopefully we can get an entry. So far it's looking like maybe an entry on NASDAQ, but I'm not sure. But maybe we can target some of these. I just the past 2 days we've been taking shorts also. I feel like we have to go up at some point, but I guess we did take this big rip up yesterday. Yeah, I feel like we're climbing back to this, but I don't know. We didn't really have any power of three movements. I guess this could have been accumulation and then manipulation up and then back down again, kind of like the setup from yesterday. But I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Um, we have this. I'm thinking it's more of a fair value gap. If we come back into it, I'll get another 1 minute and see if I can take an entry. But yeah, we do have this SMT. Another reason I'm thinking we're gonna go. Another reason I think we're gonna go down. So what the fuck is this? We'll see. We'll see what the market gives us. So I have a lot of things telling me that if we come back into this area right here where this fair value gap, breaker block, and order block and equilibrium all meet up right after this SMT, that if we come back into this level, I'm probably going to take shorts today, targeting this, and this, I guess. Let's not sweep this, though. That would be great. Let's reverse back up here, and then I'm definitely taking shorts. And over here, we can see on ES that we're kind of starting to go back up, and we're fighting this, so hopefully we do come back up into here. That would be great. If we come back up into here and take shorts, oh, please don't take this. What is this? This is a 1 hour key level. I mean, it would be a great take profit. Don't do it. Anyway, whatever. It did. If we do come back up into this area, and maybe that we can also take out this London session high, and then actually I don't know. That's messed up with SMT. I don't know. We'll figure it out. This just keeps going down. Do we have any kind of entry here on the 1 minute? But I need a 5 minute confirmation or something. So yeah, we're just going down. Maybe we take out these lows and get up upside. Fucking reverse the upside. All right, we swept the London session low and the Asian session low on the Nasdaq. Maybe we'll get an entry now. Here's an inverse fair value gap. Let's come. I don't know. Let's do something, dude. Because this kind of sucks. Yeah, we just keep ripping down. Unless we do have some action off of this 4 hour key level, then not really seeing any trades today. Yeah, so we took out this 4 hour key level on NASDAQ, maybe a reversal. If not, then I'm done trading. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, again, I mean, this is another day, like, we can look at yesterday. Like, yesterday, just full port on open. Just full port on open. I mean, Today you just had a short on open. I mean, if we don't yeah, if we don't do anything off this 4 hour, maybe off this 1 hour, but I don't even know if I want to go that low. Looks like we might do something though. Okay, cool. So we have a up candle we created in a 5 minute inverse fair value gap. This is good. If we close above this, might enter a trade. I'd love to see us come back into equilibrium. We can get rid of this. This was taken out. This had no reaction. Actually, I'll leave them for now because that could be something we retrace into. We also might want to draw a fib retracement like that. So this fair value gap could be something we come back into. Yeah, a lot of things to look at here. Might find a trade today. Also, a 5 minute fair value gap. So this region would be great to find a reversal or an entry for a reversal. Alright, I think I'm going to change this because I was thinking about this wrong. And this is why I am a beginner. And why I'm not trading on funded account yet. So we came down here. We're looking for a reversal off this. We broke this 5 minute inverse for a value gap. Now I'm waiting for okay, so we broke this 5 minute fair value gap. I now would like to see it come back into this 5 minute fair value gap, and then we want to go up to the upside, and we're going to target some of those levels that we just had. So like, yeah, so like this 1 hour key level, this 1 hour key level. Probably not these because they were already, I mean, they were already taken. Hold on. Yeah, I was thinking about that completely wrong. So I'm bullish and I want to see it come back into this 5 minute fair value gap. And then I'll go down to the 1 minute and look for a break of structure, and then I'll chase some of these key levels. That's what the goal is. Let's go boom, boom, boom. I'm going to draw it out for the slow people. Where's the pencil? How do I draw shit? No. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Meanwhile, my trade's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. Where's the goddamn fucking pencil? We could try the hammer method too. I don't fucking know. I'm pretty sure there's a fucking pencil method, but it's already doing exactly what I wanted it to do anyway. So we're coming back into this 5 minute. Alright, great. Boom, 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 boom. Let's bounce off of this. Do not, don't do it. Don't go back down. Good, good. Here's a 1 minute. Let's close this candle like right there. We can't because we're still at 25 seconds. What am I talking about? All right, I think we're pretty much done with ES. So let's just go to big screen. Whoa. All right, so we have 11 seconds. You guys can see that. All right, we have 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Let's create an inverse fair value gap right here that we can break through and enter a trade on. Sound good? Yeah, we did. Okay. Let's break through this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. That's all it is, guys. It's just a bunch of fair value gaps. Just mark off all the inverse and then the reverse fair value gaps, and it's easy. All right, I'm going to start punching this in, so I'm ready to hit it when we go. So I'm going to enter off of this. What do I want to see? I want to see it break out of this fair value gap and close. So let's say like right here, stop loss. Take profit. We'll say it's all the way up here, but we'll have other ones. So we're on NASDAQ. I want to risk 1,500. I want my stop loss to be like, yeah, below like this. Two most recent lows, so like there. I don't want my take profit to be the way the fuck. Well, I don't want to risk that. I want to risk like 300 times like 5. Yeah, alright, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. We're also going to figure out what we want our take profits to be. So this will be 1. Because we kind of took everything out. So let's see. We'll take this out, this out, this out, and this out. And we'll have our take profits at right here. Right here. Take this out. And this out. I'll take profit here. And we'll do this one right here. Alright. What are we doing? No. We need to go through the inverse for value gap. Alright, come on. I'm just going to go ahead and do this one here as well. Just to make life a little bit easier. Actually, I'm not going to do that yet. Wait a minute, this is not good. Maybe we're not taking trades today. Alright guys, well if we sweep this low right here, we saw trade didn't do what we thought it was going to do. I'm still confident though. So if we just needed to sweep this liquidity again, and let's say we create a, yeah, I mean, I don't know. If we create, I don't know. I'm gonna wait it out for a couple minutes, but if we go below this, then I'm not taking the trade. I was bullish because it's such a hard dip. We took at market open. We took out all these lows. We took out one London session high, and then we went short. So I mean, the only way to have made money today would have been just to short right after that London session, but we didn't get an entry. So then we took that. We swept out three or four, maybe, yeah, three or four lows. All right, now we're. I think if we break this 1 minute for value gap, I'm still going to. If we break this high, I'm gonna enter long. I don't think we're going to. I think we're just gonna take out this low and I'm gonna be done for today. All right, so we might break through this inverse fair value gap, and I may enter. But we will have to see. All right, guys, looks like we're getting close. I just want to see a candle close above this this high right here, and I'm entering long. I'm moving my stop loss up to about here because this trade is a little sketchy, number one. Number two, it'll help my risk reward ratio because I'm targeting some really high levels. So it'll allow me to take more profit like in this region. All right, once I see a closure, I'm entering. Ten seconds. All right, I'm entering. All right, I entered. I should have done it correctly. Margin used. Does that mean I'm in for 7,900? I don't know. I don't think I am. I shouldn't be. Anyway, we're gonna set some take profits here. All right, guys. So I'm in this trade. I don't know if I'm gonna sit through it all and wait it out. I might wait out for the first take profit to hit, if it does, or the stop loss. But yeah, we will see how this plays out. Hopefully, we get some good wins out of this, and yeah, we'll just sit and watch for a bit, and I'll update you guys. All right, guys, looks like we're back in the green, and we're trending in the right direction. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and I'll be back to update you guys. All right, looking like we might get stopped out here. Unfortunate, but if we do, something to learn from, and I'll talk about that. But yeah, we will see. Currently down about 1,000. Yeah, see what happens. All right, guys. Currently up almost $800. Kind of on a run right now. chasing our first take profit. Let's see if we hit that. Alright, so we came back down a little bit, made me a little bit nervous because we did pass that 159 mark and got super close to our take profit one, but we did not hit it. So made me a little bit nervous, but looks like we're coming back a little bit now, which is good news. Alright, looks like we're getting close to that take profit again. See if we can hit it. Up $1,000. This would close 2 of our positions. Just teasing me. Equal highs. Come on. Come on, we're getting so fucking close. Just take it already. God damn. Just go up and take it. So I can move my fucking... Actually... Once this candle once this becomes a blue candle and a positive candle, I'm probably gonna move my stop losses to break even. If this creates a higher low and starts going up again, then I'm gonna move my stop losses to break even. This is gonna be a long ass fucking video to edit. Jesus Christ. It's fucking 11:45 now. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna move my stop losses to break even. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I don't know how to do this. I can't just drag this shit, like why? It'd be so much easier. I think you can drag it on the phone, you can't drag it on here. It's so annoying. Actually so fucking annoying. 22787. 22787. Dot 31. 22787. Oh my god, finally, we hit take profit. I was in the middle of changing my stop losses. Yo, let me know if you guys know what you're doing. Let me know if there's an easier way to do this too. Because I'm manually typing this in, and there's gotta be an easier way. 22787.31. Alright, so that should be all of them. Yeah, all of our stop losses got moved up to break even. Perfect. So how much should we close? Oh, we only closed $458 today. Yeah, maybe I need to do this better. Maybe this is part of the learning experience, but I didn't do that great, and so we only locked in profited $458. So I might move my stop losses up even higher because I want to make sure we get past 159 today. So I'm gonna move them to like here. I'm gonna move them to 800. I'm gonna move them all to 800. All right, so I moved all my stop losses up to here. Yeah, I want to make sure we clear 159 to pass our first funded or fake funded. So yeah, we got this take profit up here too and up here. So I like this. I'm happy with this. I think with this stop loss and what's out there right now, we should definitely pass that first first funded account on the channel, first round. So I guess technically the next round would be 159 because we have to do it this awkward way, which I'm not happy about. But yeah. So 159 plus another 9 grand would be 168. Would be our next technically closed um funded account, but we're gonna say 169 because then we can say 179, and I made our total goal 180. So we'll chop it up with a little extra just to make sure, just to add some padding, make sure we know what we're doing. But yeah, hit first, take profit. Um, I'm gonna let this ride a little bit more. I'll be back when we hit something else. But yeah, pretty good day so far. All right, guys, we're approaching the second take profit mark. Reversing right now, but hopefully we will take it the other way. Alright guys, thinking we're going to hit this take profit on this candle or the next one. Could be this one right here. Break that high. Either this one or the next one. And come on, you fucking bitch. God damn, are you fucking kidding me? Come fucking on. Are you fucking kidding me? Just take the fucking profit. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, I'm moving I'm moving the stop loss because I'm not getting that close and then going all the way back down. All right. Come on. You have to take it with this run. I mean, you can't get any fucking closer. I mean, what are we doing? Don't fucking reverse here. All right. Well, we might hit stop loss, but I'm fine with it. Not a good trade, but weird day. It's not a great trade if we do hit the stop loss, but you know what? I'm fine with it. I just want to be done with the trading today. It's noon. I mean, this. All right, I'm not gonna complain though. I mean, it is what it is. Um, yeah, that's fine. I mean, I'm fine with that. Let me just adjust this so I know what I did and where I stopped out. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, weird trading day. Maybe we could have held out, and maybe if we had taken that high, if we had taken this, I was gonna put my stop loss here anyway. So I mean, that little teeny tiny like, I mean, it was like fractions of cents or whatever side, like whatever fractions that prevented me. It cost me probably $500, but once that was taken, um, I was gonna move my stop loss up to here anyway. So it is what it is. I've been in the trade all day. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna mark out kind of where I exited right here. Yeah. So not a bad day. Definitely still made some money. Yeah, I have a lot of confidence that this trade's going to keep going higher, but you know, there's always the chance that it doesn't. And I made some money today. Let's look at how much we actually ended up making. We made $1,157. Can't complain about that. I mean, the only thing I'm going to complain about, and the things I'm going to talk about, So what did I do wrong today? I just get this fucking thing out of here. Okay. What did I do wrong today? So I experimented with something new, and I entered in with a bunch of smaller positions so that I could set different take profits. Right. Good idea. Although I did so I entered with 5 positions. Two of the positions closed here, one closed here, one closed here, and one closed here. What I should have done is one position should have closed here, one position should have closed here, and 3 should have closed here. After my first take profit was hit, I should have moved stop loss to here, let it go to here, then moved it to recent low and tried. I mean, now we're talking about risk management, and you know, I could have made more money if I had probably held it because I'm confident this is going to go back up, or maybe not. Maybe I look like a hero because maybe the market continues to go down and I caught the move up perfectly, but I risked 1500 and only made 1100. So not a good risk reward ratio. I should have there's a couple of things I could have done. All in all, I'm not going to complain too much about the day. We did still make money, and we passed our first paper funded. We never lost a trade, which is also scaring me. I haven't lost a trade since like really trying, really locking in and getting better, which worries me because I don't want to win all these trades and then go to get the funded and just start losing. I want to lose a couple trades in the process, but I also want to suppress my ego a little bit because I'm looking pretty good, making passing my first funnel without any losses and in like a week or two. So doing pretty good. Pretty happy with the results. Yeah, maybe we'll be able to find a better trade tomorrow, but this wasn't terrible. Just it could have been better. It could have been a lot better. I'm happy with where my stop loss was. I'm not mad about that. I'm happy that I risked 1500 right here. But yeah, I should have done the stop losses and the take profits a little bit better. But you live and you learn. These are the things that I want to learn before I do get that funded account. So yeah, good day, and see you guys tomorrow.